Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings to you wherever you are. Today, I want to share with us why Jesus didn't have female apostles. And you know, and then me share the entire Jesus, not only female apostles. I'm going to use a comical video. Made the video very funny, not laughable. And on made eba now I hope say entertaining, but best answer educating.
Baby, we gotta go. We gotta go. Get up. Get up. Why are you swinging at me? Get up. Let's go.
You scared me.
Baby, there's people here. We gotta go right now.
Who is here?
Baby, we don't have time to talk about it.
God.
Grab your stuff. Grab your stuff. I got my stuff. Grab your stuff. We gotta go.
I don't know.
We have to go. Hannah.
My mouth hurts.
Hannah, I know, but we have to go right now. Oh my God, I'm caught.
Who is here?
I'm caught. I'm caught.
Your necklace.
Let's go. Let's go, baby.
Oh my gosh, is bad?
Grab your stuff.
Who would be here?
Baby, I can't tell you right now. We just gotta go. You gotta trust me. Come on.
Why should I get underwear?
Baby, what? Yes, you're gonna need it. Trust me. Baby, grab your stuff. Let's go.
Get my eyelashes.
I'm not getting your eyelashes, Hannah.
I need my
We gotta get
eyelashes.
stuff that we gotta
I
get.
don't even have eyelashes
Baby,
on.
I'm going. You know,
Get my eyelashes.
I'm not getting your eyelashes, Hannah. We gotta get stuff that we gotta
I
get.
don't even have eyelashes on.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Get my eyelashes.
I'm not getting your eyelashes, Hannah.
I need my eyelashes.
Stuff that we gotta
I
get.
don't even have eyelashes on.
What I'm saying, like, we gotta go. I'm not grabbing your eyelashes. Get what you need and let's get out of here. We gotta go out the back door.
Where's my jewelry?
We gotta go out the back door.
Someone
Come
trying to
on.
steal stuff.
Baby, no, we gotta go.
What are you getting?
Baby, I'll explain everything later. Grab your
Baby,
stuff
bro.
and go.
I'm so
Oh my
scared
God.
right now.
Oh my God. My car. Let's go. Let's go. Get in the car. Get in the car.
Where's my
Come on.
doll? Get my eyelashes.
I'm not getting your eyelashes, Hannah.
I need my
We gotta get
eyelashes.
stuff that we gotta
I
get.
don't even have eyelashes on.
Okay, abusiafo. So after the who the probably Yesu amfa obebia as one of the apostles no. Hwɛ abrantie ɔne ne girlfriend no sene yere ɔmo bɛkɔ baabi yɛntɛm na yɛnkɔ yere ntɛm na yɛnkɔ a wonim asɛm a wɔka I need my eyelashes. Nti just imagine sɛ nka Yesu fa ɔba as one of the disciples na. Can you imagine? Na Yesu ɛpɛ ntɛm ɛne asuafoɔ akɔ preachi ɛwɔ baabi no na ɔbaa no gyina hɔ sɛ I need my eyelashes. Ɛnɛ yɛ anka obi ɔbɛka sɛ I need my nails and so. So it looks funny, but it is probably one of the reasons Intia Yesu Amfa Oba as one of the disciples. Well, I'm just kidding. I'm just joking.